Selling a trust property. My name is Wanda Rochelle, and I'm a licensed realtor in the state of Georgia. Today, we're going to talk about selling a trust property. First of all, what is a trust property? When a person passes away, he or she may have designated a person who is responsible for handling any of the assets that are held in that trust. That person is called the trustee. Now, an example of assets could be a home, stocks, bonds, a bank account, a vehicle. Today, we will talk about the home. How does the trustee go about selling the home? For this video, let's use Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse as an example. Mickey and Minnie lived a long life. They warmed the hearts of little kids all over the world. One night, unfortunately, Mickey and Minnie went to sleep, and unfortunately, they didn't wake up. They passed away in their sleep. It was a sad day for kids and adults all across America. Well, Mickey and Minnie at the time had 2 children, Mike and Melissa. Prior to their death, Mickey and Minnie prayed and asked God for direction. After much prayer, they decided to assign Mike as the trustee in case something were to ever happen to them. They believed in making sure their affairs were in order. So Mike is the designated trustee. That means Mike is legally obligated to manage the sale of the home. Now, the sale of the home has to be done within the guidelines of what is stated in the trust. Mike can't just do whatever he wants to do. Also, there is no probate process because Mickey and Minnie are deceased. Well, Mike and Melissa are the beneficiaries, so they are selling the home and splitting the proceeds. They need to do a few things. First, they want to evaluate the status of the home. Is the home occupied or is it vacant? Are there any tenants in the home? Do the tenants have a lease agreement? Are the tenants on time with their rental payments? Do they need to be evicted? Is there an outstanding mortgage on the home? If there is a mortgage on the home, Mike will need to reach out to the mortgage company to determine how they will handle the sale of the home in reference to the deed and the title. They will also need to hire a realtor. I suggest hiring a realtor to assist in the sale of the home. A realtor can do a market analysis to determine the value of the home. As a realtor, we can also assess the home and give suggestions on whether or not repairs are needed. We can also negotiate on your behalf as well as do other things. If you're looking for a realtor in the metro Atlanta area, my team and I are ready to serve. We can also assist you in locating other realtors in the United States. Here's another thing you need to do. Before you close on the home, the attorney's office will want a copy of the trust documents. The trust documents will show them who has the authority to sell, and that will tell them who the seller should be listed on the contract. Attorney's office may also want to know who has passed away and may request a copy of the death certificate. And as with all closings, the attorney will want a valid picture ID. That can be a driver's license or a state-issued identification. I hope and pray this video has been a source of knowledge for you regarding selling a trust property. Feel free to click, like, and subscribe. And remember, I'm Wanda Rochelle, your resource for probates in Georgia.